So we've just finished our income statement and now we need to prepare our balance sheet. So let's go. Now, what do I normally put after this bit? How's that? Yeah. Now, believe me when I tell you that this bit is worth a mark. And if you're confused as to where the information is, it's there in my balance sheet. All right. Now, I need to do a fully classified balance sheet or consolidated balance sheet, which means I need to break up between current assets, current liabilities, non-current assets, non-current liabilities and equity. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to do my assets. My assets and my current assets. What's the first current asset that I need to put in? Cash. Why? Yeah, that usually stops people. Usually it's because I'm doing it in order from liquid to most liquid to least liquid. So cash. And how much is my cash? Cash is 19,500. What's my next asset or current asset that I'd like to put in? Accounts receivable. So I've got my accounts receivable, which is 23,000. I'm going to abbreviate that to account rec. 23,000. What's the next one I'm looking for? Inventory, which is 1,750. Any others? Let's have a quick look. Current asset. Oh, we've got accrued revenue. And my accrued revenue is 1,350. 1,350. So that'll give me how much in current assets? 42,500, 43, 44, 40, 45, 600. Next will be my non-current assets. Non-current assets, what have I got? I've got my depreciations. Let's have a look, what else have we got? We've got mowing equipment, motor vehicles. Anything else? Goodwill. All right, let's see, we'll put our motor vehicles in first. So my motor vehicles and the cost of my motor vehicles was 58,500. Now we're going to deduct accumulated depreciation from my motor vehicles. My accumulated depreciation for my motor vehicles is 21,500. And I'm going to bracket that to indicate an outflow, or not an outflow but a reduction. So that'll give me 37,000 even. I'm going to do my mowing equipment. My mowing equipment came in at 25,000. And less my accumulated depreciation again. Was 11,950. So So that'll leave me with, how much is it? 13,050. And what was, so tick tick, I've got to tick these two off. Goodwill. And my goodwill was 15,000. So that'll give me total non-current assets of how much? 65,050. And I'll have total assets. My total assets is my 45,600 plus my 65,050, which will give me $110,650. Now I'm looking to do liabilities. And the first ones I want to do are my current liabilities. So my current liabilities, which is my first current liability? Yeah, why not? It's on the top of the list. Account payable. And my accounts payable is 14,000. Next one, accrued rent expense. $500. What's my next one? Loan, short-term loan. I'm just going to put repay first 15, and it's for 8,000. Any other that I need to? Staff wages. All right, thank you. I would have forgotten that one. Wages payable. Wages payable is 1,850. Any others? No? What's my total there then? 24,350. Wow, these are fast calculators. I like them. Okay, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Slide my page up that little bit. What's it? My non-current liabilities loan. Is there any others? Loan, I'm going to put repay. When do we repay my loan? 9th of 19. And it's for, is it the only current non-current liability? Yep, 50. Whoops, I've ticked that one off. I've got to tick that one off. 25,000. So total liabilities will be 49,350. Thank you. Total liabilities. Now, net assets is the next thing I need to include. Now, my net assets is my total assets minus my total liabilities. So how much does that come to? Net assets? 61,300. Last bit I need to do is my equity. which includes my capital, less my drawings. Now I don't know what my capital figure is, we have to work that out because that's over here. We're not sure of that, but do we have drawings there? Yes, we have drawings of 7,000. I can tick this one off. 7,000, my drawings. What else do I need to include in my equity? Profit. Now plus my profit. Now my profits on my previous page was 34,400. So I'm going to put my profit into my equity section. 34,400. Now my total here has to come back to my same as my net assets. So what have I got here? I've got 34,400 less 7,000 makes 27,400, and it has to come back to 61,300. So what's my missing capital figure? How much? 33,900. So that's my balance sheet. Now I can just fit the whole thing on the screen, except for the title. So that's what you should